What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to take this, whatever item is in this bag. We're going to open the bag, take the item out, quickly talk about it, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys stopping by. And I will see you guys there. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so like I said in the intro, we're going to unbox this item, or unbag this item, take it out, quickly talk about it. I'm 100% positive. Well, actually I'm not 100% positive, but I have a 90% certainty that this item is related to the previous video, not the guess what's in the box video of this, but the previous video. I think it's the exact same item that was in the previous video of the back probes, as well as I think this one is also the back probes, and the reason I think that is the noise are kind of similar. That's why I think they're the same items. I did order one in particular item. I ordered 4 of them. The previous video I'm talking about had 2 packages in it, and it was a bag. It was actually a smaller manila colored envelope bag. There's this one and that one, which are a little bit bigger. I think they're back probes. And it is. So yep, single back probe. So they put 2 of these back. They put 2 of these in one bag, and then they put 1 of these in this bag, and then 1 in that bag probably. So, and I will probably link up here in the top corner for you guys. I will link the very first unboxing of this. That was like 20 minutes. I actually gave the story of how I ended up with 4 of these. I actually originally purchased 3, and a whole ordeal happened, and they never showed up. Even though my Amazon page still says that it's just running late, I don't think they're ever going to show up. The company I originally bought these from flat out stated they randomly emailed me and messaged me on Amazon and stated, oh well, your package got declined at customs. It didn't make it through customs, and we're just refunding you. But they asked me what I wanted. I told them I wanted to wait for the item. I ordered the item. I ordered 3 of these originally, 3 of these kits originally in January 22nd, and they weren't supposed to show up until March 7th, and 2.5 weeks or so later, that's when I got contacted about it. They asked me what I wanted to do. I said I wanted to wait for the items because it's only been a couple weeks, and they weren't supposed to be sent out till sometime in March. And before they messaged me, I went and looked at my order again, and I went and clicked on the actual to show the page again, and it said it was currently unavailable. And what my thoughts were is that they never really actually had the items, and they sent me a tracking number on Amazon and made it look like that they were actually shipping an item, but the tracking number, it was a Chinese tracking number, and I used 17 Track, which is an app, and that tracking number literally never updated. I don't think it ever made it to customs. These did also come from China, just a different, same exact pictures on Amazon, same exact post, just a different name. They came from China also. The Chinese tracking number I got for this or not for this. This didn't have a Chinese tracking number. It actually had an American tracking number. I think it came from a warehouse. But I bought 4 of them because I originally wanted 5 from the company I originally bought them from, and I never received those. I still have on my app that it looks like I do have an order. I'll show you guys real quick. So a little icon, your orders. So here's the one that says running late. You can see it's the exact same item. This is the one that has the tracking number. It was $42.87. I ordered 3 of them. This company originally had 5. By the time I went to go order them, they only had 3. But it says contact seller. It says shipped February 11th to March 7th. Sold by ONYX 598-US. $42.87. But if you click on this to go to the actual main page, it says currently unavailable. It was currently unavailable before they messaged me, like several days before they messaged me. But so, and then they refunded me even though I told them I wanted to wait. And then I asked them, well, they were the only ones at the time that had these, literally the only seller. And they're like, oh, well, you could just reorder them from us and we'll just resend them. Why would I reorder them from you? You told me that they got declined at customs. I can't imagine customs would decline it. I can understand that, oh, it's got 20 needles in it. But if the item says back probes on it, it would be apparent that it's not like a surgical needle. But I will just link up here for you guys. If you guys want to, hear the whole story and everything, I'm not going to, repeat the story over and over again. Comes with 5 colors: green, blue, yellow, black, red, and there should be 20 probes. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Comes with 20 probes plus 5 probes that are already on them. So it comes with 25 probes. And these are thread-on probes. Just twist them. They are threaded. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that I'm twisting it on. So, and these are 4mm banana jacks. That's what they are. So these are going to come in handy. They're not very sharp. They're actually kind of dull at the tips. But the previous video that I was referencing that I said I'll link a card up here for, I actually show the measurements on the millimeters of how small these needles are. From the tip to this section where it tapers and gets wider, to this section where it tapers and gets wider, to this section where it does get wider also, all the way to the base. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taper measurements also, just to show you guys how small the needles are. But that is all I got for you guys today. I will make sure that I will link the cards up there for you guys. I do appreciate you guys watching, checking out the channel as always. Don't want to make this video too long. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Quick note, in the video that I'm going to link, I also show that these don't have any resistance or anything in them. So you can zero out your multimeter, whatever you're using, it goes straight to 0, no issues. As long as your cables are fine, you don't have resistance in your cables, your multimeter leads. These are not going to give you any issues. That's why I'm going to link that video. That's why it's 20 minutes, because I do show, you know, if they have any resistance or anything like that, and they don't. Last thing, other than the like, comment, and subscribes, you know, leave comments. You know, if you use these, I use these quite a bit for all kinds of Diag, especially back probing. I've used these for front probing a few times, but you got to be careful when you're front probing with needles like these. But I needed a bunch of these because I'm building different Diag kits for my service truck. That's why I picked them up. But as always, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Enjoy your Saturday and your weekend. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!